All right, y'all. We're gonna check out this EQ on the Allen and Heath GL2400 console today. A lot of people, I'm sure, are interested in how the EQ sound on this console. It's not a SSL. It's not a Neve. It's not a Audient. You know, but if you're on a budget and you're trying to get into analog consoles, I think the Allen and Heath sounds pretty decent. So I'm just going to run some drums through it, play with the EQ a little bit so you guys can see what it sounds like. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to start on the low end. Let's check out the low end. All right, the low end EQ on this console is set at a 80 hertz shelf. All right, that's an 80 hertz shelf. All right, I was clipping a little bit, so I had to turn the gain stage down a little bit. All right, let's check out the low mids. All right, I'm boosting the low mids at about 250 hertz. And the low mids are set at a bell curve on this console, on the EQs on this console, bell curve. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just sweep the low mids so you can see what it sounds like as I sweep it. All right, that was the low mids. Now let's check out the high mids. The same with the high mids. The high mids are set at a bell curve. So what I'll do is I'll just sweep through the high mids so you guys can see what they sound like. All right, that was the high mids. Now let's check out the high frequency. The high frequency, of course, is set at a shelf. Here we go. Oh, and I also forgot to mention the high frequency EQ is hard set at 12K. All right. All right, so there you have it. That's what the EQ sounds like on the Allen and Heath GL2400 console. This was just a quick demonstration so you guys can get a feel for what the EQs sound like. Just ran some drums through real quick. If you have any questions, if there's anything else you want to know about this console, hit me up down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help. I'm out for now. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.